I'm Srija. Today we are doing another experiment on air pressure. We need a transparent plastic bottle with one hole, a bottle cap with hole, and water. Step 1. Block the hole and fill water in plastic bottle. Step 2. Put cap on bottle tightly. Step 3. Now let's put thumb on cap and remove finger blocking water in bottle. Observation. Water is not flowing out from bottle. Magic! Now remove thumb from cap. Observation. Water starts flowing from bottle because air pressure from cap is forcing water to come out from bottle. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Little Scientist at Work.